Maxim 37. Musk is known by its perfume, and not by what the druggist says. A scholar is silent, like the perfumer's casket, that displays accomplishments, whilst an ignoramus is loud-voiced and intrinsically empty, like a wardrobe. A learned man among blockheads, so says the parable of our friends, is like a sweetheart among the blind, or a Quran among unbelievers. Now, you can't look at somebody and say, oh, well, they developed high testosterone, they must be idiots or something. No, that's not how it works. You can't just look at mere outer features. And sometimes people who've been beaten or something that have long-lasting impacts in terms of their head shapes or scars or whatever, you can't tell also what effect that's had on them. And was it Nietzsche that talked about music, that you can't show how you appreciate music by mere music theory? And people have definitely gone against that with Gent and some other things, right? And experimental music, as you could say.